Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 6, OV 67. परी उत्सवा लागे कीर्तन, उभा राहिला तोही प्रश्न. खेडे गावी हरिदास कोठून, ही एक अडचण राहिली. But for the celebration, there would have to be a kirtan. That was the problem. For where would one get a Haridas in a small village? This was the only question. भीष्म म्हणती मी कीर्तनकार, तुम्ही धरा पेटीचा स्वर. राधा कृष्णाबाई तयार, सुंठवडा वेळेवर करतील. Bhishma said, I would be the Kirtankar. If you can accompany me on the harmonium, you can accompany me on the harmonium. And Radha Krishna Bai would be prepared to make the Sunthavda at the proper time. चला की मग बाबांकडे, विलंब हे शुभ कार्यासाकडे. शुभासी जय शीघ्रत्व जोडे, साधे रोकडे तै कार्य. Come then, let us go to Baba. Any delay for a good cause poses problems. A good cause accompanied by promptness will be executed efficiently. चला आपण पुसावयास, आज्ञा कीर्तन करावयास. ऐसे म्हणताच मशिदीस, दोघे ते समयास पातले. Come along, let us go and ask permission to perform the kirtan. So saying, they both arrived at the masjid at that time. काका आरंभ करिता पूजेते, बाबाच जाहले प्रश्न पुसते. काय वाड्यात चालले होते, सुचेना ते काकांना. No sooner had Kaka begun the worship, Baba on his own asked, what was the discussion going on in the Vada, and Kaka could not think of an answer. तात्काळ बाबा भीष्मा प्रती, तोच प्रश्न अन्य रीती. का बुवा काय म्हणती, म्हणोनी पुसती तयाते. Immediately, Baba asked Bhishma the same question in a different way. What has Buwa to say? Asked Baba of him. तेव्हा काकास आठव झाला, उद्दिष्टार्थ निवेदियेला. विचार बाबांचे मनास रुचला, निश्चित केला उत्सव. Then Kaka remembered and disclosed the intentions. Baba liked the idea and it was decided to hold the celebrations. दुसरे दिवशी प्रातः समयाला, पाहुनी बाबा गेले लेंडीला. सभा मंडपी पाळणा बांधिला, थाट केला कीर्तनाचा. Next day, early in the morning, seeing that Baba had gone to the lendi, a cradle was put in the courtyard with ceremonial preparations for the kirtan. पुढे वेळेवरी श्रोते जमले, बाबा परतले, भीष्म उठले. काका पेटीवर येऊन बैसले, बोलावू पाठविले तयांना. The audience assembled. Later on, Baba returned on time. Bhishma got up. Kaka sat down at the harmonium. Then Baba sent for Kaka. बाबा बोलाविती तुम्हास, ऐकता काकांचे पोटी धस्स. काय झाले न कळे मनास, कथेचा विरसना होवो. Baba is calling you. Hearing this, Kaka got a shock. He could not understand what had happened. Let there not be a fiasco. ऐकुनी बाबांचे निमंत्रण, काकांची तेथेची झाली गाळण. बाबा काबरे क्षुब्ध मन, निर्विघ्न कीर्तन होईलना. On hearing Baba's call, Kaka became scared. Why has Baba become so angry? Will the Kirtan take place without any difficulty?